Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Data protection for cloud environments. Data protection for cloud environments poses unique challenges that require a nuanced understanding of both technical and legal frameworks. As organizations increasingly migrate their data and operations to the cloud, the importance of safeguarding sensitive information becomes paramount. Cloud environments offer scalability and flexibility, but also introduce complexities regarding data security and privacy. This lesson aims to provide actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications to enhance data protection proficiency for professionals managing cloud environments. One of the key principles in safeguarding data within cloud environments is understanding the shared responsibility model. This model delineates the responsibilities of cloud service providers and their customers. While CSPs are typically responsible for the security of the cloud infrastructure, customers are responsible for securing the data they place in the cloud. This distinction is crucial. Misinterpretation can lead to vulnerabilities. For instance, a study by Gartner predicted that by 2025, 99% of cloud security failures will be the customer's fault. This statistic underscores the need for organizations to clearly understand and manage their responsibilities within the cloud. To effectively manage these responsibilities, organizations should implement a robust data protection strategy tailored to their specific cloud environment. One practical framework that can be employed is the Cloud Security Alliance's Cloud Controls Matrix. This framework provides a comprehensive control framework for cloud computing, aligning with industry standards and regulations such as ISO 27001 and GDPR. By leveraging the CSA-CCM, organizations can assess their cloud service providers and ensure they meet specific security and compliance requirements. This proactive approach helps in identifying potential gaps and addressing them before they can be exploited. Encryption is another vital component in the arsenal of data protection tools for cloud environments. Data encryption, both in transit and at rest, ensures that sensitive information remains confidential, even if accessed by unauthorized parties. Implementing end-to-end encryption can significantly reduce the risk of data breaches. For instance, a case study involving a healthcare provider demonstrated that implementing encryption protocols led to a 60% reduction in data breach incidents. It is essential for organizations to not only encrypt data, but also manage the encryption keys securely. Utilizing hardware security modules or cloud-based key management services can provide additional layers of security. Access management is another critical area that requires attention. Implementing stringent access controls, such as multi-factor authentication and role-based access control, can mitigate risks associated with unauthorized data access. MFA adds an additional layer of security by requiring users to provide 2 or more verification factors to gain access to a resource. RBAC, on the other hand, limits access based on the user's role within the organization, ensuring that individuals only have access to the data necessary for their functions. A study by Verizon showed that 81% of hacking-related breaches leveraged stolen or weak passwords, highlighting the importance of robust access management policies. Regular audits and compliance checks are imperative to ensure ongoing adherence to data protection principles. Utilizing tools like AWS CloudTrail or Azure Security Center can help monitor cloud environments continuously for any suspicious activities and ensure compliance with the relevant regulations. These tools provide visibility into user activities and can help in quickly identifying and responding to potential security threats. Case studies have shown that organizations that conduct regular audits experience fewer data breaches and are better prepared to handle those that do occur. Data protection in cloud environments is also heavily influenced by legal and regulatory requirements. The General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act are two prominent regulations that impose strict data protection obligations on organizations. Compliance with these regulations is not only a legal requirement, but also a business imperative. Non-compliance can result in significant financial penalties and damage to an organization's reputation. For example, in 2019, British Airways was fined £183 million for a data breach that compromised the personal data of 500,000 customers, highlighting the severe consequences of non-compliance. Organizations should also consider implementing privacy impact assessments as part of their data protection strategy. PIAs help in identifying and mitigating privacy risks associated with data processing activities. By conducting PIAs, organizations can ensure that data protection is embedded within their processes, thereby enhancing overall data security. A PIA involves a systematic examination of the potential impact of a project on the privacy of individuals, and it provides recommendations for mitigating any identified risks. Another practical tool is the use of data loss prevention solutions. DLP tools help in identifying, monitoring, and protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access or transmission. These tools can be configured to detect and block sensitive data flows based on predefined policies. For instance, a financial institution used DLP solutions to prevent the unauthorized sharing of customer data, resulting in a 40% decrease in data leakage incidents. Organizations should also foster a culture of data protection awareness among their employees. Regular training and awareness programs can equip employees with the knowledge and skills needed to identify and respond to potential security threats. An organization's data protection strategy is only as strong as its weakest link, and employees often represent the first line of defense against data breaches. A survey by IBM found that human error is a contributing factor in 95% of data breaches, emphasizing the need for ongoing education and awareness initiatives. In conclusion, data protection for cloud environments requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses technical, legal, and organizational measures. By understanding the shared responsibility model, implementing frameworks like the CSA-CCM, employing encryption, managing access controls, conducting regular audits, and adhering to legal requirements, organizations can significantly enhance their data protection capabilities. Practical tools such as DLP solutions and privacy impact assessments, along with fostering a culture of awareness, further bolster an organization's defenses against potential data breaches. As the cloud landscape continues to evolve, staying informed and proactive in implementing these strategies will be crucial for safeguarding sensitive information in the cloud. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.